Exercise 4.3, question number 8, we are going to do today. See, according to the question, it is given, a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed, means there are 2 points which are 360 kilometers apart. A specific train travels this specific distance with a uniform speed. Okay, if the speed had been 5 kilometers more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Means अगर आपका ट्रेन अपनी स्पीड को 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से बढ़ा लेती है तो सेम डिस्टेंस 360 किलोमीटर्स को कवर करने में 1 घंटा कम लगेगा. आपको फाइंड करना है द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन. सो हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन? Let's see. First of all, you will assume let the speed of the train be x किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, जैसा कि पहले भी आपको बताया है कि आपको किस चीज को वेरिएबल फॉर्म में अज्यूम करना है जो क्वेश्चन में पूछी गई है. क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा गया है फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन. सो आपने स्पीड को x किलोमीटर पर आवर अज्यूम कर लेना है. यहाँ पर हमने बेटा यूनिट्स किलोमीटर्स इन आवर्स क्यों लिए? क्योंकि डिस्टेंस आपको गिवन है किलोमीटर्स में और जो टाइम है वो आपका आवर्स में. ओके, सो वी हैव अज्यूम्ड इट. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? अब आप देखिए कि अगर 360 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस है, डिस्टेंस हियर इज 360 किलोमीटर्स एंड द स्पीड इज x किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, तो स्पीड के फॉर्मूला से स्पीड इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, मीन्स वी कैन से टाइम विल बी व्हाट? डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. सो वी कैन कंसिडर और वी कैन फाइंड द टाइम taken to cover 360 kilometers with the speed x kilometer per hour will be what? It will be time is equals to distance upon speed. Say this time will be t1, so it will be with a distance is 360 kilometers upon speed is x. So T1 will be 360 upon x hours. Okay, this is my first condition. Now, according to the question, what is given? If the speed is increased by 5 kilometer per hour, then time taken will be what beta? It will be 1 hour less than the prior time, that is T1 से 1 घंटा कम लगेगा. Obviously अगर आप स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे तो टाइम लेस हो जाएगा सेम डिस्टेंस को कवर करने के लिए. अगर आप धीरे धीरे चलेंगे तो ज्यादा टाइम लेंगे, फास्ट चलेंगे तो कम टाइम लेंगे. ठीक है, तो अब इसको कैसे मर्ज करना है बेटा? इन दिस केस we can say distance will be same, that is 360 kilometers, but now in this case the speed will be what beta? Earlier it was x, now this time it will be x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the time will be what? In this case I am assuming the time as t2, so t2 will be distance upon time speed, so it will be what beta? Distance is 360 upon speed is x plus 5. Okay, now according to the question what is given? T2 is T1 minus 1. If the speed is increased, so the time taken to cover the same distance is 1 hour less, means the new time it is 1 hour lesser than the previous one. So T2 we can write as T1 minus 1. Now put the values. T2 is 360 upon x plus 5 is equals to T1, that is 360 upon x minus 1. Now you have to solve it. सॉल्व करेंगे इसको. आप कैसे करना है? You can take the LCM. Here this will be as it is. Upon x plus 5. This side you can take LCM. That is x. So it will become 360 minus x. Then as both the sides we have got 1 fraction. So by cross multiplication. We can go for cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. What we can write? We can write it as, फिर से देखिए क्या था बेटा, 360 upon x plus 5 it was, and here this side 360 minus x upon x. Now by cross multiplication what it will be, ये आपका इससे multiply हो जाएगा और ये इससे. So what we will get बेटा, 360x is equals to 360 minus x into x plus 5. Now solve it. 360x is equals to 360x plus 360 into 5, later we will solve, minus x square and minus 5x. Okay. Now see, both the sides we have 360x. अगर आप इसको बेटा लेफ्ट साइड में लेके जाओगे so it will become minus 360x. So I am cancelling out this term. Then it will become 360 into 5, that is 50, 5 6 is 30, 0 5 3 is 15 plus 3 18. Minus x square, I am solving this part. Minus 5x and this side we will get 0. Okay. Now take minus s common. Minus 1, so that x square plus 5x minus 1800 it will be. Then is equals to 0. So this minus, it will go in the denominator portion, so it will become 0. So the finally we have got the equation x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equals to 0. Now how to solve it? We can take the help of quadratic formula. So what we can write beta, by quadratic there are various methods. Middle term splitting is there, or completing the square method is there, or quadratic formula is also there. So I am using here quadratic formula. So by quadratic formula what we can say, x is equals to minus of b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here in this case what is a, b and c? We can compare the equation with this. Okay, this is the standard form. So here a will be 1, b will be 5 and c will be minus 1800. Now substituting the values, we will get x is equals to minus of b, that is minus 5, plus minus root b square that is 5 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 1800 upon 2a, that is 2 into 1. Now solve it. Minus 5 plus minus root of 25 minus minus it will become plus, then multiply 18 by 4, that will be 7200. Okay, upon 2a, that is 2. So minus 5 plus minus root of 7225 upon 2. Now find the square root of 7225. I am doing it here. 7225. First make the groups of two digits. Then see, 3 3s are 9. It is 72. So we can have 8 8s are 64, because 9 9s are 81. It will be more. So 8 8s are 64. Here we will add, and here subtraction we have to perform. That will be 12 minus 4, 8. Then second pair completely we have to note down. That will be 825. Now assume here the one of the digit. As we know that 1 6, if we put 5. If we put 5 there, then it will be what beta? 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. 825 we are getting. So means we have to put here 5. So what we can say, 7225 is the square of 85. So we can have minus 5 plus minus 85 upon 2. Okay, that is x is equals to minus 5 plus minus 85 upon 2. Now here two values, two signs are there. Considering positive sign, x will be what? Minus 5 plus 85 upon 2, that is 80 upon 2. So it will become beta 40 kilometer per hour. X was the speed which was in kilometer per hour, means we have got first value as 40 kilometer per hour. Now considering the negative sign, x will be what? Minus 5 minus 85 upon 2. Here it will be minus 90 upon 2, so it will be minus 45. So discard this value because we are getting the value in negative form and the speed, it cannot be negative. Okay, so the answer is 40 kilometers per hour.